Hey, my friends. So, I decided to eat the plantain. Trust me, it's well deserved. There's some plantain. Can you see it? Come on, the plantain bit. I'm frying it. See? Come on. I just fried half of the plantain, so I wouldn't eat too much. Feel me? Yes. But yes, guys. Yes, we here. I just had to get a plantain. I haven't had plantain in a long time. Long time. So I'm just doing it because I haven't had it in a long time. So maybe I should make more. Make the whole thing. Maybe the grandkids will eat it. I'm going to do the whole thing. And maybe the grandkids will eat it. What the problem is, they picky. Hold on, be right back. I forgot I got TV on. I'm fighting with what is the guy named? Truck Norris. My voice on Truck Norris can't work. Truck Norris overpowered me. So guys, rest in peace to Jimmy Carter. Let me tell you guys, I heard the remarks from President Biden, and let me tell you something. He's telling the truth. I had the pleasure. I did not know how important that encounter was until I got a little bit older. I was young and hot girl back then with my two daughters, and I was on the plane. I was flying to Atlanta from California, because picking up my girls, because they usually come and spend every holiday with my mom. And I came to pick them up and taking them home. So happened we had a good seat. We were up front, first class. And I saw everyone getting real antsy, and and I'm like, what's going on? And I only heard, don't move. And I'm like, so why this man telling us not to move? But I was young, I'm like, okay, But then turned out they were Secret Services, and the Secret Services said, please do not move. President Jimmy Carter would like to come and say hi to you guys, because it was MLK Day. And I'm like, President on this plane? It was Delta. He is very humble, and he was like, he started walking around, and he came to my girls and he said, you are so beautiful, girls. And he was like, do you know what today is? And my daughters were little, they looking at him like, no. And then my daughter said, yes, it's Martin Luther King birthday. And he said, yes, it's MLK Day, and this is a very important day for you, and this was a great man, and you guys should celebrate him, and don't forget about him, and also respect your mom. Always listen to your mommy, and do good in school, and be kind to others. That was his conversation with both my girls. And I couldn't believe that. I'm like, this can't be real, because I didn't think a president would be on the plane, I didn't think so. But he flies on the regular plane. He goes to Walmart, because I just heard a guy saying how he met him in Walmart. He's a very humbled man. He just go places with his Secret Service, but This man had he w- he had one term as presidency, but I think he should have got two because he cared so much about the world. He didn't only care about USA. He wanted the world to be okay, and that's what makes good president, you know. And he was like he wanted to make sure the world. So he wanted to be the leader, and that's what America usually is, the world leader. So he was really supposed to be a good president, but they had a lot of stuff that they say because he cared too much. But I'm telling you something, that man is the most like a loving soul, a loving encounter, not bossy, not arrogant, not not like I'm the president. Or, no, he was in regular clothes and he just come over in the Secret Service. We're the mean ones. The Secret Service were like they upset that he wants to come over and talk to people. Oh man, the Secret Service. But he was like loving and asking the girls what book they had in their hand, because my girls always had books for the summer and stuff, and they had their books in their hand, and he was like, "What are you reading?" And he even made a joke. I hope it's about MLK. Very wonderful man, and rest in peace. And I'm thankful for that encounter. I'm happy he was humble enough to go on Delta in faith. Yes, so you never know who you might encounter, but back then I didn't even walk with cameras and all that stuff because I was never good with electronics. But aging make you're like, okay, I need to create these memories for these grandchildren. But my daughters had that encounter. It was awesome. It was definitely a great experience, and I'm so thankful to can be able to tell this story to you too. Yes, my dear. Yeah. Yes. Now look, I'm just gonna fry the rest of the plantain for the kids. See who wants it. Just in case. And then I'll wash my dishes. But it's plantain that. Yes, guys, that's plantain. Plantain for the soul. I love you realize, since I got here, this is my first morning, and as you can see, it's all about Jamaican breakfast. Because I'm home at my mama, and that's what I should get, right? My Jamaican culture. I'm so thankful to be here. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Shout out to my sister. That's the reason I'm here. That's how I got here. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful to be here. I'm so thankful for the love. I'm thankful for my mom. I'm thankful to God for allowing me to have my mom to comfort me when I'm sad or anything. I'm just thankful. Yes, but it's time to wash the dishes, and I don't think y'all want to watch me wash no dishes. So that's my story. That's my encounter. That's my wonderful experience with President Jimmy Carter.